Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Good morning everyone, and we are staff of representing Community Health Center, Bhimni Patnam, and we're so happy to introduce and demonstrate the COVID vaccine dry run in our hospital. And we can see the way here where the beneficiaries get in to get their vaccination done. And this is the entrance for the beneficiaries to get inside. And we can see few beneficiaries here as they maintaining the distance of 3 meters. And we can see the board here saying COVID vaccination dry run, and we have few beneficiaries here waiting for the vaccination, and we have Mahila police here who does all the verification of their Aadhaar card, and she will take the responsibility of sending the patient inside after verifying that Aadhaar card. And as we get inside, we can see again there is a way to COVID vaccination session site. And here also it's been arranged, and beneficiary also waiting for the vaccination to be done and maintaining the distance of 3 meters here. And we can see the waiting area where patients can easily know about this, and they will wait here. And we can see here one beneficiary is going inside to have his hand wash, and there we can see a sink where the beneficiary can wash his hands, and there is a board here to notify the patient that this room is specifically for hand wash. And then we have a sanitizer here where the patient will do sanitization of his hands. And after sanitization, the next process where the patient going to do is registration. Here we can see in it's written in Telugu and English also, where the patient can understand easily. And moreover, one more thing is like there are no obstructions in middle. Everything is peace and quiet, where the patient can go simply and go done his registration and the next process to be done. And we have one more beneficiary here who is doing her registration, and we have a DO here, data entry operator. We can see the process how they does. And next, this is the way for the vaccination room. And we can see the beautiful greenery campus in our Bhimli. And we're going to enter the vaccination room, and we can see two beneficiaries here waiting for the vaccination. And we can see the beautiful greenery campus in our Bhimli. And we're going to enter the vaccination room, and we can see two beneficiaries here waiting for the vaccination to get their chance next time. And we can see the board here saying COVID vaccination entry. And as we go inside, we can see the beneficiary here, and here all the history and symptoms are being taken by the supervisor here. And we have a vaccinator here with the PPE kit and all the necessaries he has taken with the gloves and mask with full protection, and asking the patient any symptoms of COVID, and telling all the beneficiaries and advising them what all they can do and they shouldn't do. So here the vaccination is being given, and the advices also were given to the patient, and when he has to review after this first vaccination. Now we can see here she is discarding the needle with the hub cutter, and the syringe is placed in that hypochlorite solution there. And we have our supervisor here, and after the post vaccination she going to explain. And we can see our nurse here, she is sanitizing her hands before and after the vaccination is given.
మనకి 28 డేస్ తర్వాత మీరు సేమ్ బ్రాండెడ్ వ్యాక్సిన్ మళ్ళీ వేయించుకోవాల్సింది కంపల్సరీ వేయించుకుంటే ఈ కోవిడ్ అన్న వైరస్ని ప్రొటెక్షన్ అనేది ఉంటుంది. మీకు ఫీవర్ ర్యాషెస్ ఇలాంటివి ఏమైనా వచ్చినా కూడా వెంటనే వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. మీరు అబ్జర్వేషన్ రూమ్లో వెళ్ళాలి. సో వెళ్ళినప్పుడు మీకేమైనా ఇబ్బంది ఉంటే అక్కడ డాక్టర్లో
And from this vaccination room, and we will be taking the patient or the beneficiary to the observation room here. And we can see our nurse here, she is sanitizing her hands before and after the vaccination is given.
మనకి 28 డేస్ తర్వాత మీరు సేమ్ బ్రాండెడ్ వ్యాక్సిన్ మళ్ళీ వేయించుకోవాల్సింది కంపల్సరీ వేయించుకుంటే ఈ కోవిడ్ అన్న వైరస్ని ప్రొటెక్షన్ అనేది ఉంటుంది. మీకు ఫీవర్ ర్యాషెస్ ఇలాంటివి ఏమైనా వచ్చినా కూడా వెంటనే వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. మీరు అబ్జర్వేషన్ రూమ్లో వెళ్ళాలి. సో వెళ్ళినప్పుడు మీకేమైనా ఇబ్బంది ఉంటే అక్కడ డాక్టర్లో
And from this vaccination room, and we will be taking the patient or the beneficiary to the observation room here. And we can see the notice here, observation room and Parishilinchu Gadi. And here we have our supervisor and the beneficiaries under observation, and we have a nurse here. And here we have few equipments with the emergency oxygen cylinder, and we have temperature tray here. And we have sphygmanometer and all the emergency kit we have here.
వ్యాక్సిన్ చేసి ఎంతసేపు అయిందమ్మా? జస్ట్ 5 minutes. సిస్టర్ కొంచెం శానిటైజర్ ఇవ్వండి.
And we can see medical supervisor here sanitizing her hands before touching the patient.
మీకు గాలి తీసుకోవడానికి ఏమైనా ఇబ్బంది కానీ దురదలు కానీ చెమటలు పట్టడం కానీ అట్లా ఏమన్నా వస్తున్నట్టు అనిపిస్తుందమ్మా? అలా ఏమన్నా ఇబ్బందిగా ఉంటే చెప్పండి, మేమందరం ఇక్కడే ఉంటాము, వెంటనే మీ దగ్గరికి వస్తాము. సిస్టర్ ఒకసారి బీపీ కూడా ఒకసారి చూడండి. ఓకే.
So we can see our nurse here, she is also sanitizing her hands before she going to check the BP here.
చేయి ఫ్రీగా ఉంచుకోండి. బీపీ చెక్ చేస్తున్నాము, కంగారు పడద్దు.
వ్యాక్సినేషన్ చేశారు కదా, ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది? వ్యాక్సినేషన్ చేశారు కదా, ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది? ఇబ్బంది ఏం లేదు కదా? గాలి తీసుకోండి.
We can see these two beneficiaries here. They got vaccination before 15 minutes and it's already past 15 minutes, and our supervisor will observe these two patients 15 more minutes, and total altogether 30 minutes these two beneficiaries will be in observation. Then after that our supervisor will ask them any symptoms of cough, fever, cold or any COVID symptoms. Then after that this patient can discharge from our hospital. So after the beneficiary is being discharged from the hospital, this is the way for COVID vaccine exit, Baituku Dari, and it's given like this. So we can see the way here where there is no disturbance and there is no crowd much, and this is the way for the patient to go out from the hospital. Now we are in our medical superintendent room, and we have here head sister and our medical superintendent and our doctors too, and we're going to have some speech by our medical superintendent here.
Good morning, all of you. Thank you, one and all, who involved in this dry run for COVID vaccination at Government Hospital, I mean CHC Bhivampatnam. Today we are very happy to inform you that we have conducted very good dry run for vaccination, COVID vaccination here. And we గైడ్లైన్స్ కోవిడ్ వ్యాక్సినేషన్ తాలూకా గైడ్లైన్స్ అన్నీ కూడా పాటిస్తూ ఈరోజు డ్రై రన్ తీసుకోవడం జరిగింది. దానివలన చాలా మన స్టాఫ్కి, సిబ్బందికి, తోటి డాక్టర్స్ అందరికీ కూడా మంచి అవగాహన ఏర్పడింది. సో దట్ వీఆర్ ఫుల్లీ రెడీ ఫర్ ఎనీ టైమ్ ఫర్ వ్యాక్సినేషన్ అని నేను ఈరోజు గర్వంగా చెప్పగలుగుతున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ వన్ అండ్ ఆల్ who guided us, especially our DCHS sir and DMNHO side Dr. Umavati madam, who guided us. Thank you madam, thank you sir, thank you one and all, thank you.